welcome you in SG Entertainment channel.
Friends, here I am with my new video, with my new remote control car. This is not an ordinary car, but it is my new remote control car. Yes friends, this is my new remote control rock crawler car. This is Sagar Gupta and I welcome you in SG Entertainment channel. So friends, let's unbox it. Its cost rupees is 1600 and my nanny mom has purchased for me. So friends, let's open it. So friends, this is our rock crawler. So friends, this is our remote. This is the steering wheel to move the car left and right. This is the trigger to move car forward and backward. And it is the switch of this remote. And here is the light indicator. When you will on this remote switch, the light will be on. And here is the battery case. So friends, let's open it. So see friends, when I will on the switch, the light has on. And here is the friends antenna. Friends, this is the rechargeable battery of 4.8 volt of this car, and this is the charger of this rechargeable battery. Now I will show you how to insert charger to battery. So friends, let's talk about this car. It is a soccer car. As you can see friends, its tires are very soft, and at the bottom is the fine adjuster. As you can see friends, when you will move it, the tire will also move. So friends, here is the battery case. And here is the on off switch. So friends, let's open this battery case and attach this battery. That please open. Now please insert it. Now let's on the switch. Now friends, it is ready to run. Now friends, here I switch on the remote button. Now I will show you how the cars go forward and backward. Forward, backward. Wow friends, you can see how the cars go down. Wow, marvelous. You can see friends. Wow, again, once again. Nice, very nice. I like it so much. Wow, it's fabulous. Bravo. Wow, nice, very nice. Wow, this cross is such a flat pie. I like it, very nice. Guys, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to comment to my channel. And have fun and keep smiling. Yes friends, bye.